Hi everybody, I'm here with a new tutorial. I wanted to show how I can convert a ponytail into the foundation for a crochet install. So I've had my hair cornrowed for about 3 weeks, and what I usually do is I remove my scrunchie. I find a hair texture, a crochet hair texture that matches what I already have. So I purchased these from Amazon. I can link it below in the description box, and they're about the same in length. Whatever is longer, I can trim off to shorten to the blend. But I use my cornrows as the basis for my crochet.